Howdy. Hey Furies, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a huge life update. I'm just going to be talking throughout this video. I'm not going to be doing my makeup. I'm just going to give it to you raw, uncut, and real. So if you want a glass of wine, because I wish I had one, and water, juice, cookies, you know, I'm just going to try and make this as compressed as possible so I don't ramble. But I do want to tell you guys some things as well as some changes that I want to bring to my channel. Well, I should say back to my channel. My channel is dying. I stopped posting for so long. My posts got shorter and shorter and more sporadic. And I just want to talk about that. I want to talk about a lot of things. Let's get into that. What happened to my YouTube channel? So if you guys don't know, I am on 3 platforms. I'm on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. I am considered a TikTok content creator because that is where I get most of my brand deals. My audience is the biggest. So I show a lot of light and attention to my TikTok page. However, I've been going through so many mental situations with my TikTok page. It doesn't make me happy. I'm gonna still post up there, obviously, for different reasons, but I'm back. I'm back on YouTube, and I mean that. I mean that this time. When I tell you guys that TikTok, I can't even talk today, licky lock. When I tell you TikTok has changed my whole perception of creating content, I feel like in a way that it's fucked me up. I feel like I've lost my creativity somewhat in a way. I feel like I've lost my organic reach to my audience. And I just don't feel like me anymore. So as I upload these YouTube videos more and more often, please have some patience with me. Support your girl as much as you can. And just know that I'm slowly getting back into things. Let's address my old content. I don't do anything near my old content anymore. I scroll through my old videos a lot and I miss them. I miss me. Like, I used to talk about mental health a lot. I used to talk about topics a lot while doing my makeup. I used to talk about being a military spouse and the struggles of being a military spouse. And a lot of people, I gained a large portion of my audience from talking about those topics. So obviously when I stopped talking about them, my views would go down, engagement would go down, of course. And I just want to talk to you guys about why I did that. I guess I was just trying to adapt to this new social media situation that we're in when it comes to short form content over long form content. And it took me this long, damn near a year, to realize that that is not the case. That is not the bee's knees for me. That is not where I belong. I belong here where I feel happy and safe. I need to enjoy what I'm doing and not put so much pressure on my fucking self. As well as you, if you are a content creator watching this, please stop putting pressure on yourself. And it's so funny because this is how the fuck I burnt myself out when I was a fucking hairstylist. And here we are again. I told myself I would never put myself in a situation to put so much pressure on something that I love doing to where I don't want to do it anymore. And here we are on the fucking borderline of saying fuck this or I'm all in. And I can't say fuck this. This is something that is near and dear to me and I can't let this go. I've put too much into it, you know? I've put too much into it. It's something that I really care about, something that I'm very passionate about. So I'm not going nowhere. Shit. I think as a content creator, it's important to address my accountability and my wrongs and apologize to the audience that I do have here on YouTube. If you feel neglected, if you've missed my content, if you've missed my videos, if I haven't been responding to comments in a timely manner, I sincerely apologize and I will do better. As well as my consistency, my uploads have literally been all over the place. I'll upload, feel insecure about a post that I upload, knowing that it has nothing to do with what I usually post, and then I'll delete it. Consistency and accountability has just been kicking my ass. I feel like I'm having an identity crisis as a fucking content creator. Does anybody else go through that shit? To wrap this shit all up in a nutshell, I'm back. Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, 12 p.m. I'm back. I'm bringing back the hair videos. I'm bringing back the military spouse videos. I'm bringing back the commentary, the makeup and chit chat. I'm bringing all that shit back. And this is for me, not the pressure of the social media world kicking my ass. This is for me and for y'all and those who have supported me this far, which I'm so appreciative. Oh my gosh, like I've missed my YouTube space so much. It's just so warm and so safe here. I swear when I'm recording for TikTok, it's just like I'm really being recorded, you know, like I'm being looked at, and it's stressful. It's stressful. I don't want to get too much into that, so let me move into the next topic. I'll talk about my military spouse chronicles. That was a really big part of my channel. I did end up deleting some of the videos that I did have on this account for those that got a little bit more traction, that got me some followers pretty fast, and you know, that was a big part of my channel. I feel like I stopped making those videos because my mind really sucked me out of making them. I felt like nobody really cared about them. I felt like they didn't fall along in my niche. I swear the word niche fucks my brain up so bad, especially being ADHD situation I got going on, which I'll talk about more later. Having a label of something that you have to stay in, the type of person that I am, having ADHD and being a creative, and telling me to stay in a box is literally throwing me off of a fucking hill. I can't do that. That is just something that I can't do. So with that being out of my niche, I decided to stop doing those videos because I just felt like they weren't helping anyone. But we all know that was a damn near lie, because if anything, when it comes to like the spouse pages and stuff like that on Facebook for the new military spouses, I love giving advice to people. I love, you know, helping people out when it comes to simple things that, you know, they just don't know, that easily another spouse could tell them, or someone could tell them to make their lives so much easier. I like doing those videos, and I'm definitely going to bring those back, especially now that, damn, it's been 3 years since we've been a military family. I can't believe it. That's another update for another video. But yeah, 3 years, you guys. 3 years. We have 2.5 years left, and we're still in Cali. I also thought that my military videos were boring, but looking back on my analytics, they were actually a really big part of my channel. So let's talk about the huge portion in this video. I want to talk about my mental health, give you guys a really big mental health update. I am doing a lot better from my last update. I know my last update was rough. My last update was rough. I'm in so much of a better space, mentally, physically. I started therapy. I do teletherapy via computer. I do teletherapy with this program that I'm in, and my therapist is literally so perfect. I literally could not imagine myself being paired up with a more perfect therapist for myself. Literally, me in a nutshell, but she's like a healed version of me, which is like super cool. I started seeing the fruits of my labor from all the work that I've been putting in. So that has put a huge ease on my mental health, letting myself know that, hey, you are getting somewhere, so don't give up. So that's just been huge for me. Social media has really been kicking my ass though, you guys. Being a content creator slash influencer, people think that shit is so easy. They think it's just taking pictures, filming videos, and calling it a day. And it is so much more than that. It is so much more than that. And a lot of people could not fit in our shoes. So the mental health toll from just constantly having to keep up with trends, constantly having to put on this persona, constantly having to ignore my emotions to film and put on these great looks for you guys and review these makeup products, it's a lot. Talking with my therapist, I have been not diagnosed per se, but from what she sees from talking to me, she sees that I have symptoms of PTSD, which is post-traumatic stress disorder, from like traumatic events, trauma in my lifetime, depression and anxiety. So that's something that I'm really going to be talking about on my channel. I want you guys to follow me on my path of healing because I feel like that's just so important. It's just something that I'm really passionate about. Like, I'm so passionate about healing and helping people see their potential in them true selves. So hopefully if watching these videos can help you do that, that'll make me feel a little bit more better in life. I have a really long journey ahead of me when it comes to healing, my content, my family, my marriage. And I'm just so thankful to be here and be alive and live in my purpose. Oh, my lace is showing, girl. My lace is showing. Ignore my lace, y'all. Ignore my lace. It's 7 o'clock. It's almost the end of the day, okay? As for future channel goals, I'm going to try my hardest to do 3 uploads a week, 12 p.m., no excuses. If I can't do that, definitely Mondays and Fridays, for sure. I'm going to be having a lot of my old content come back. If you guys do get to the end of this video, tell me down below what you want me to bring back. Tell me what you want me to talk about. Tell me why you're still subscribed to my channel. Even though it's slowly but surely dying. I don't want to make this video too long, but I just want to say that I love you guys and I appreciate you so much for rocking with me. And remember, you guys, stay furious. Bye.